finally, let's move to the mortgages. So mortgage is a situation when when a bank usually or building society gives you money and takes security over some assets that you buy with the help of this money. There've been always a big confusion among people, and it doesn't matter what is their origins. Quite often, who is who? Who is mortgagee and who is mortgagor? Maybe, Ollie, you could explain it to us so everyone will remember the difference.
So the easiest way actually is to think about transferee and transferor. The transferor is a seller, they're disposing of an interest, and the transferee is the person acquiring the interest. So in this case, the mortgagor is the person who owns the property, who is granting a mortgage. They're granting an interest in the property, or in fact, really it counts as a disposition of the property, but to a bank or building society who is the mortgagee. So the mortgagor is the owner, the mortgagee is the bank or building society.
Thank you very much. Mortgagee is someone who is a lender, and mortgagor, someone who takes the loan in order to buy something.
Yes, they're creating security.
Thank you very much. So we just fix it, not to confuse